Centre has announced the allocation of Rs 1,276 crore for Manipur as part of the tax devolution, which includes one advance installment in addition to the regular installments being released to respective state governments. A release issued by Ministry of Finance stated that Union Government has released tax devolution of Rs 1,78,173 crore to state governments, including one advance installment of 89,086.50 crore in addition to regular installment due in October this year. The advance installments are released in view of the upcoming festive season and to enable states to accelerate capital spending and finance their development and welfare-related expenditures. Uttar Pradesh received the highest allocation of Rs 31,962 crore, followed by Bihar with Rs 17,921 crore. Among the northeastern states, Assam emerged as the largest beneficiary with Rs 5,573 crore, followed by Arunachal Pradesh with Rs 3,131 crore.